Hi, myself Mohammed Zeeshan, and I've completed my B.Sc in Information Technology in the year 2023 from Aloysius International University, which is located in Bangalore. And basically, I'm from Kalaburagi, Karnataka. After graduation, I was looking for the job in the IT sector, and I got to know about Evision Technosoft Private Limited. And I have learned many things from Evision, like basic networking, CCNA, ITIL software, and hardware troubleshooting. And I would like everyone suggest to join the Evision because it is a nice platform to kickstart your journey in the IT field and got to know about that they provide the 100% placement after 20. These 45 days internship is valuable and worthy. Recently, I got selected in Impact Infotech as a desktop support engineer with a salary package of 3.12 lakh CTC per year. I would suggest everyone to join Evision and grow in the IT field because it is the best platform for the fresher. I would suggest everyone to join the 45 days internship program. Thank you.